When snow begins to fall, nature gently paints a peaceful picture. When snow brings disasters, the landscape changes completely, bringing with it fierce power.
Holy crap, man!
Let's start exploring the impressive moments that nature brings.
Right! Oh, there goes the umbrella! Oh!
On April 5th, a blanket of heavy snow covered parts of Texas, turning the landscape into a calm, white sea.
I got it on camera.
During a snowstorm in Kalamazoo, lightning flashed, creating a rare phenomenon in the middle of the storm. A rare storm has brought a thick layer of snow to Florida, leaving residents struggling with challenges they have never faced before.
Our screen made it. And this is beautiful.
No. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I knew he was going too fast.
On January 9th, the crash of a tractor trailer on snowy I-430 highlighted the risks of driving in slippery snow conditions.
Get inside! Oh my God, a car!
And in a Walmart parking lot in Texas, nature seemed to create chaos and disrupt everything in sight.
What?
I've never seen anything like that.
What? We're literally going behind the waterfall.
The once peaceful waterfall at Hanging Rock Hill suddenly turned into a torrent of water, spilling down the road, surprising drivers in Madison.
What? Look at all this right here.
This road's gonna flood.
Yeah, they probably need to close this road. I'm so...
An unbelievable sight to witness the power of nature at such a close distance, making everything seem out of control.
Oh my God! What?
Wow. A torrent of debris rolled down the Swiss Alps like a raging wave after heavy rain, washing away everything in its path.
Water!
Nature's fury during a massive rock slide in the Swiss Alps caused dozens of people to evacuate in chaos.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Dude died!
Sandstorm Haboob hit Khartoum like a hurricane, turning the city into a chaotic sea of sand. Dust storm at Burning Man causes traffic difficulties. Exodus's press mo. The importance of preparing for bad weather during major events. Strong gusts of wind blew through the Brown family farm, creating a huge dust cloud and blowing away 4 chicken coops in just a few minutes. The powerful storm broke windows in Houston, but luckily people were able to escape damage. It seems that winter has decided to welcome him with an unexpected challenge. Enjoying the video? Show your support with a super thanks and help us bring you more incredible moments. The snowstorm was like a push of a button from nature, covering Buffalo City Hall in white, leaving the whole city in the silence of snow.
Eh ben regarde-moi, c'est ici. Et surtout, bougeons pas, ça nous arrive dessus. Ben voilà. Alors je dis, je t'aime papa, je t'aime maman.
A strong avalanche swept through the Terrascole Resort, creating a majestic scene like nature's fury. The debris flow rushed through Ilgraben like an earth dragon, carrying with it mud, rocks, and chaos, making the landscape wild and violent.
Oh.
He's not.
Yeah, he's not gonna make it. Okay.
That's not the way that you want to go down that hill.
No. Oh.
Going.
Oh.
Drive safely and pay attention to weather conditions when traveling in winter.
Freaking tornado.
Holy crap, man! Dude! I should have grabbed the GoPro.
Look at the flagpole.
Yeah. Dude, you just missed it. Holy crap.
The tornado.
2 cars were stuck on the Gardiner Expressway as 23.6 inches of snow fell, obscuring visibility on Toronto's roads. During days of inclement weather, staying calm and observing closely may be the only key to keeping you safe. Wow, that's amazing. The landslide blocked the road while the sounds of animals sounded like a sad song of nature in a difficult moment. A massive avalanche covered an Alaskan town with up to 40 feet of snow. Can you believe it? Heavy snowfall caused a major incident when power lines fell near a ski resort in Italy, disrupting operations in the area.
The snow's literally drifted like 4 feet against the door.
Oh gosh, what will you do in this situation?
us to see the lines!
In the midst of a fierce snowstorm, NFL players did not back down and continued to fight on a stadium covered with cold white snow. And the fans, not disappointing the athletes, cleared the snow with all their perseverance to be able to witness the match between the Bills and the Steelers.
Ready?
I'm going on three! Oh,
Yeah!
The way he shows his love for football is really different.
Go! Push him onto the field!
From above, a drone pilot captured a spectacular avalanche on Vancouver Island, creating a stunning view. A giant dust storm blew through the city, like nature raging, covering everything in a thick layer of dust, causing everything to stop before its power.
It's just like a tornado nearby.
I was saying, this is like a tornado.
The avalanche near Mount Everest Base Camp is a reminder of the harshness of nature and the risks for climbers in the area. Strong winds have arrived. Minnesotans need to protect their homes and have enough rescue equipment before Winter Storm Harold arrives. Despite the harsh snowstorm, roofers in New York continued their work, demonstrating unstoppable strength and resilience. Oh gosh. During the snowstorm, the man had to close his eyes while recording the video, trying to capture the moment amid the strong wind and heavy snow. A powerful snowstorm swept through Smithfield, Utah, turning the city into a sea of white snow. Strong winds swept across Texas on March 14th, reaching speeds of up to 83 mph in Amarillo, warning drivers to pay attention to visibility. Amid fierce fire, a high-rise building in Tehran collapsed, a horrifying scene for the people of the city. A huge dust storm blanketed the Idaho town, as if nature was changing its appearance, creating a mysterious and terrifying scene. With 14 inches of snow covering Buffalo, people need to pay attention to safety when going out in dangerous blizzard conditions. Fierce snowstorm blanketed Patagonia, leaving sheep buried under a thick layer of snow. Luckily, they were rescued.
Right. Oh, there goes the umbrella. Oh. You can't go out there. It's a tornado. I'm not kidding.
This is why I always recommend securing outdoor items.
Look at that. I love you. Oh, there goes the trees. Ah!
The dust storm turned the cartoon sky red, creating a powerful and unusual sight. In the middle of a snowstorm, the herd of cattle steadily walked through the thick snow like silent warriors. Time-lapse video shows a driver struggling to get off the road during a fierce snowstorm in Toronto. A truly surprising moment.
Oh, I missed it. I wasn't even recording it the whole time. Look at that!
The giant iceberg suddenly spilled over the shore of Lake Winnebago, creating a majestic and disturbing scene. Amid the harsh cold of Toronto, CrossFit athletes still do not back down, continuing to practice with all their tenacity. Despite the huge snowstorm raging, the first international flight of the day landed safely at Dulles Airport. Gently falling snow covers the forests and mountain peaks, creating a beautiful white picture in the southern regions of Oregon. Under cold winds and heavy snowfall, operations and maintenance teams constantly clean the runway, ensuring flight safety. Can you feel the strength of this otter in harsh conditions? Aerial footage shows avalanches covering areas in Italy, causing extensive damage to both people and property. Oh no, maybe winter just decided to build an ice and snow resort right on the street. In difficult times, solidarity between people is the key to overcoming all challenges. Amid the thick snow and cold wind, people constantly support each other, creating a vivid picture of sharing and solidarity.
Don't touch that. swing over enough and hit the gas.
Truly rare sight here, Washington. The tornado looks peaceful from afar, but in reality, it contains powerful movements inside.
My thoughts on Ponderosa, still walking up Crest Forest Drive. You really notice as soon as you're there.
This is a reminder for everyone to learn how to prepare, protect themselves and their families when facing unexpected natural disasters.
You can see that.
A scene that makes us wonder and ponder the magic of nature in the cold conditions on Lake Michigan. Wow, it's breathtaking, an impressive and unbelievable scene. Like an elemental dance, the hot lava flow from the Kilauea volcano rushed into the sea, creating steam that rose like nature was fighting. From the International Space Station, the aurora appears like a magical dance, creating beautiful streaks of light in the sky. Wind gusts and heavy rain from a tornado storm in Nashville, an unstoppable hurricane. As Storm Alfred approached, high waves impacted beachgoers, a reminder of the importance of monitoring the weather.
Sobre el Pilcomayo. En esta parte del Pilcomayo, del Angosto, ahí está.
Heavy rains have caused widespread flooding in Bolivia, directly affecting thousands of families and more than 3,000 communities in 186 cities.
El puente ferroviario.
As Northwest Kansas faces severe weather, the Sheriff's Department advises residents to stay home unless there is an emergency. Floods have hit Argentina, causing roads and vehicles to disappear under giant waves of water, reflecting the unpredictability of nature.
Es nueva encima. Bueno, esos dos ahí quedaron.
SpaceX's Starship spacecraft exploded over Florida, creating a spectacular scene. Every super thanks helps us keep sharing the moments you love. Thank you for being part of our community. Heavy lake effect snow blanketed Salt Lake City, creating a beautiful but challenging winter scene.
What the frick, dude? What is this? What is this thing doing right here?
It's so much.
Oh my gosh, dude, that is so cool.
It's unbelievable. Giant Pacific octopus suddenly appeared in the tidal zone on the northern coast of Washington.
Hi.
A beautiful picture under the cool blue water of Cabo San Lucas. How many points do you give this cuteness? Please comment your score. The lava flow from the Kilauea volcano eruption in Hawaii swirled into the air like a dust tornado, creating a dramatic scene. When snow falls on the Iowa interstate, traffic becomes congested. Here's a warning: pay attention when traveling in the winter. High winds created thick fog and strong ripples at Dallas Lake, making the scenery hazy. And as the flood approaches Gran Canaria, it creates a tense and unexpected event where all must be prepared to deal with this natural disaster. A red alert was issued for Reunion Island on February 28th as Cyclone Garance made landfall, bringing wind gusts of up to 145 mph. The Blue Ghost spacecraft has completed its final lunar orbit maneuver, marking an important step on Firefly's ambitious journey. Flash flooding caused safety concerns that led to weather warnings in Virginia, Kentucky, and Tennessee on February 15th. SpaceX's rocket launch lit up the Southern California sky, creating a spectacular scene that made people admire. After a powerful storm, the train station in Sydney suddenly turned into a waterfall, a surprising and strange scene that few people can imagine.
So the shark's literally not even 6 meters from the shoreline now.
Beaches in South Africa are habitat for bull sharks, and when their fins protrude from the shallow water, this is a sign that they are moving close to shore. Hundreds of giant spider crabs have moved through Port Phillip Bay, Victoria, creating an impressive and strange sight. Flocks of snow geese are beginning their spectacular journey back to the North Pole after winter, creating an impressive and awe-inspiring migration. Vivid illustrations show the major challenges ships must overcome in harsh weather conditions. The car, which was swept out to sea by flooding amid a storm in Nest Dollars, is the second car the local family has lost in a year. Luckily, there was no one inside. Hurricane Sally struck, and the sailboat, like a tired bird, sank silently into the rushing waters of the Pensacola Lagoon. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Turn on notifications so we can stay connected and you won't miss any future content. See you soon.